Hello students, today we are going to study about water cycle or how does it rain. You should know this thing. So due to the heat of the sun, yes, the water from the earth's surface evaporates. Yes, get converted into vapor. That process is known as what? Evaporation. That water vapor, as it is light in weight, it goes up in the sky and form the drops of water, which gets converted into clouds, and when these drops become heavy, they come on the earth's surface in the form of rain. On cooling, after they became heavy, they come in the form of rain on the earth's surface back. So that this way we get the rain on the earth's surface. How does it rain? Water on the earth evaporates continuously due to the heat of the sun. Water that has percolated seeped into the soil. Yes, shown by this arrow, that water is nothing but percolated water seeped into the soil. Also evaporates due to the heat and enters the atmosphere. As water vapor is lighter than air, light in weight than air, it rises up into the atmosphere. As it goes higher, it cools and condenses, forming very fine droplets of water. The droplets are so small and light that they float in the atmosphere. In this part they float. Clear with this? These small droplets join together and form bigger drops which are heavy. They cannot float. Such drops of water fall down on the earth in the form of rain. So in this way we get the rain. The water which is evaporated from the earth's surface come back on the earth in the form of rain. By which process? Undergoing by which processes? Evaporation, condensation and rainfall. Such drops of water fall down on the earth in the form of rain. This rainwater flows into rills, streams, rivers and finally into the sea. Ice in the snow-covered regions also melts due to the heat of the sun to finally flow into the rivers. These processes of evaporation, condensation and rainfall go on in a continuous cycle. This is known as water cycle in nature. Clear with this? So due to the heat of the sun, the water gets evaporated, and due to the evaporation the water vapor is formed. The water vapor is lighter in weight, so it rises up high in the atmosphere. As it goes up high, it cools down and condenses to form fine droplets of water. These droplets are small and light, that they float in the atmosphere, and when these small droplets join together and form bigger drops which are heavy, they cannot float. At that time the water come on the earth's surface in the form of rain. So this cycle goes on continuously. In this way we get the rain. Clear with this? Tomorrow's period we are going to study about biosphere. Thank you.